Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Next English Podcast. I'm so happy you're here today because we're going to learn something that will help you speak English more naturally every single day. In this lesson, I'll share 100 useful English sentences that native speakers use in real-life situations. Don't worry if you're a beginner. These sentences are simple, practical, and easy to remember. Here's my advice. Don't just listen. Pause the video, repeat each sentence out loud, and try to use it in your daily conversations. Are you ready? Let's get started. Morning routine. Good morning. How did you sleep? I slept very well. I just woke up. I'm feeling great today. What's the plan for today? Let's have breakfast. I'm getting ready. I'm running a little late. Have a wonderful day. At home. Can you help me, please? Please open the door. Could you close the window? Turn on the light. Turn off the fan. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Dinner is ready. Let's eat together. Thank you so much. At school or work. Good to see you. How are you today? I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What are you working on? Can you explain that again? I understand now. I don't understand. Could you speak more slowly? That's a great idea. Let's start. Shopping. Excuse me. How much is this? It's too expensive. Do you have another size? Do you have another color? I'd like to buy this. Can I pay by card? Here's my payment. Thank you for your help. Have a nice day. Traveling. Excuse me. Where is the bus station? How can I get there? Is it far from here? Can you show me the way? I need a taxi. What time does the train leave? I have a reservation. Which platform should I go to? Thank you very much. Have a safe trip. Phone conversations. Hello. Who's calling, please? How are you? Can you hear me clearly? I'm a little busy right now. Can I call you back later? Please hold on for a moment. Thanks for waiting. Talk to you soon. Goodbye. Everyday conversation. That's interesting. Really? I agree with you. I don't think so. Maybe you're right. Of course. No problem. Don't worry. Everything will be okay. Good luck. Motivation. Believe in yourself. Never give up. Practice every day. Every mistake is a chance to learn. Keep improving. Speak English every single day. Confidence comes with practice. You're getting better every day. Success takes time. You can do it. Closing. Congratulations. You did an amazing job today. The best way to remember these sentences is to listen to this lesson again tomorrow and repeat every sentence with confidence. Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It's about practicing consistently and speaking without fear. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Next English Podcast, and share this lesson with anyone who wants to improve their English. Thank you so much for listening. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.